2021 is finally here, which means we all have some or the other travel plans. But going on vacations means a lot of sun exposure, and that in turn means a lot of sun tan. But worry not, because I've got you covered. Hi guys, मैं हूं नियति और आज मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूं स्किन केयर रूटीन फॉर टैन रिमूवल. पर उससे पहले go ahead and subscribe to the Be Beautiful platform and also tap on the bell icon ताकि आप हमेशा updated रहो with our latest videos. And now let's begin. So tanning, as you know, is caused by exposure to ultraviolet rays that are emitted from the sun. Now the sun emits two kinds of rays, UVA and UVB. इनमें से UVB rays are the ones that causes a lot of sun tan. And then to stop any kind of further damage, the skin starts producing a pigment called as melanin, which causes darkening, also known as tan. Also, let me tell you one thing, there is no such thing as safe and healthy tan. So your best defense at all times is to stay away from tanning altogether. Now let me show you how to get rid of tan should you have one. So जब भी मेरी skin in ultraviolet rays को exposed हो जाती है, either when I'm outdoors or on vacations, after I come back home, I immediately start my post-sun care. And for that, I apply an after-sun gel. So this is what I have been using. This is Lakme Sun Expert After Sun Gel. इस after sun gel का मैं एक coin size amount हाथों पे ले लेती हूँ. I dot it all over my face and my neck area, and then in light circular motions, I start massaging the product into the skin. You know, when you use this gel, the moment it touches your skin, it's going to turn into water, and that's the best feeling ever. So it has certain ingredients in it which is going to strengthen your skin's barrier. It has cucumber in it which is going to soothe your skin, and it has lemongrass in it which is going to control oil. So once the after sun gel has soothed your skin and it has strengthened your skin's barrier, it's safe to move on to exfoliation. So exfoliation basically skin के बाहर के जो layers pigmented हो जाते हैं thanks to the sun exposure and the sun tan, it is going to remove that, and इससे आपका tan कम नजर आएगा. So I've been using this particular scrub right here. This is specifically meant to remove sun tan. So this is the Lakme Sun Expert Detan Scrub with oatmeal extracts. So to use this particular scrub, what you need to do is just moisten your face and then take a coin size amount of it on your palms and then apply it on your face and start scrubbing for about 3 to 4 minutes and then rinse it off. So what I love about this scrub is that it has oatmeal extracts which is going to remove dirt and oil. At the same time, it has walnut shells which is going to boost the exfoliation process. Also, did you know that you can use this particular scrub as a face mask? Yes, all you need to do is just lather it all over your face and then just keep it on for about 5 to 7 minutes and then rinse it off. Now, one of the biggest ill effect of sun exposure is the uneven skin tone, which obviously you can fix with a really good serum. So this has been my go-to serum. This is the Lakme Absolute Ideal Tone Refinishing Night Concentrate. What you do is just pump it onto your hand and then pat it into your face and your neck area. तो जब आप इस प्रोडक्ट को लगाओगे आपको हल्की सी tingling sensation feel होगी, but do not worry because that is how the product works. Now this product has pineapple extracts in it which is basically going to exfoliate your skin. At the same time, it has a natural prebiotic ingredient in it which is going to improve your skin's defense. So when you apply it in the night, the next day your skin is going to be ready to deal with any kind of skin aggressors. Also, make sure that you apply sunscreen the next day all day because this product can make your skin a bit photosensitive, which brings me to my next point. So you must wear sunscreen all day, every day if you want to avoid tan. पर अगर आप sunscreen के बारे में और जानना चाहते हो तो I have linked a video in the description box below. Go and check it out. So पिछले कुछ महीनों से I have been using this particular sunscreen. This is Pond's Sun Protect Non-Oily Sunscreen with SPF 30. So what I love about this sunscreen is that it is non-oily and it is going to protect you from both the rays, UVA and UVB rays. Also, अगर आप इसकी packaging notice करोगे तो you'll see this PA+++ sign, which basically means that it gives you highest level of protection against sun tan, which I absolutely love. But with sunscreen, make sure that you reapply your sunscreen in every 3 to 4 hours for continued sun protection. the last thing in order to avoid tanning is to make sure that you keep your skin moisturized. Now let me tell you a fact that dry skin or skin that tends to get dry or dusky skin tone tends to tan faster and easily. Reason for that is that these skin types or skin tones tend to have a weak skin barrier, which is basically due to the loss of moisture, and then that allows the UVB rays to penetrate deeper and faster. इसीलिए it is super important to invest in the right kind of moisturizer. As a rule, always opt for a moisturizer that has hyaluronic acid in it. So I've been using this particular moisturizer. This is Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. Now it has hyaluronic acid in it and it has vitamin E in it, which is going to help keep your skin really smooth and supple. So as a rule, I like to apply this on damp skin, massage it into the skin, and you will be good to go. उम्मीद है ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूजफुल रहा हो. If you have any questions, write to me in the comment section below. Make sure that you subscribe to the Be Beautiful channel and also like and share this video. And of course, tap on the bell icon so you can stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, bye guys.